Stickers have become an incredibly popular niche in e-commerce, loved by customers for their versatility and creativity. Whether they're for decorating laptops, water bottles, planners, or walls, stickers are a low-cost, high-margin product that's perfect for dropshipping. If you're planning to build or grow a sticker business, finding reliable suppliers is crucial. Today, we'll share the top 5 stickers dropshipping suppliers to help you get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers for stickers. If you're looking for platforms that offer high-quality, customizable, and unique stickers, these suppliers are perfect for your business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our tips, reviews, or strategies for growing your dropshipping store. Let's dive right in. At number 5, Stickaroo. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Stickaroo, a dropshipping supplier specializing in custom stickers and labels. What they offer: Stickaroo lets you design and sell custom stickers with various finishes, including matte, glossy, and transparent options. They also offer die-cut stickers for unique shapes. Why they're great for dropshipping: Stickaroo handles everything from printing to shipping, so you don't have to worry about inventory or fulfillment. Fast turnaround times. They provide quick production and shipping, ensuring your customers receive their orders on time. If you're focused on custom stickers with professional finishes, Stickaroo is a great option to check out. At number 4, Redbubble. Coming in at number 4 is Redbubble, a popular print-on-demand platform for creatives. What they offer: Redbubble is a marketplace that allows you to upload your designs and sell them as stickers, along with other products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Why they're ideal for beginners: Redbubble handles everything from production to shipping and provides a platform for you to showcase your designs without building your own store. Custom options. Their stickers come in multiple sizes, shapes, and finishes, allowing your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. If you're an artist or designer who wants an easy way to start selling stickers, Redbubble is a great place to begin. At number 3, Spocket. Next up at number 3 is Spocket, a trusted dropshipping platform known for its wide product range and fast shipping. What they offer: Spocket connects you to suppliers offering unique and high-quality stickers, many of which are handmade or niche products. Why it's great for dropshipping stickers: with suppliers based in North America and Europe, Spocket ensures faster delivery times, which is key to keeping your customers happy. Premium options. They offer a variety of sticker styles, from vinyl and waterproof options to eco-friendly and reusable stickers. If you're looking for premium stickers with fast shipping and reliable suppliers, Spocket is an excellent option for your store. At number 2, Printify. Coming in at number 2 is Printify, a top-tier print-on-demand platform for customizable products, including stickers. What they offer: Printify allows you to design and sell custom stickers with various styles such as kiss cut, die cut, and waterproof options. Why it's great for stickers: Printify integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to add stickers to your store. Global reach. With suppliers worldwide, Printify ensures competitive shipping rates and faster delivery times for your customers. If you're looking to create unique custom-designed stickers for your dropshipping store, Printify is a top-notch supplier. At number 1, Printful. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Printful, a powerhouse in the print-on-demand world with incredible options for stickers. What they offer: Printful specializes in high-quality custom stickers, including glossy, matte, and die-cut styles. Their platform is perfect for creating personalized sticker designs that stand out. Why they're the best: Printful integrates directly with popular platforms like Wix, Shopify, and Etsy, allowing you to automate order processing and focus on growing your business. Fast and reliable. With fulfillment centers in North America, Europe, and Asia, Printful provides fast production times and dependable global shipping. If you want a reliable supplier with a reputation for quality, customization, and seamless integration, Printful is the ultimate choice for your sticker dropshipping business. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the top 5 stickers dropshipping suppliers. Let's quickly recap the list. Printful, best overall for quality, customization, and global reach. Printify, perfect for creating unique, custom sticker designs with wide platform integration. Spocket, great for premium stickers and fast shipping from reliable suppliers. Redbubble, ideal for creatives who want a ready-made marketplace to sell stickers. Stickaroo, a fantastic option for professional finishes and custom sticker designs. Which supplier are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your online store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.